Once I struggled with a garden that refused to thrive. I learned that healthy ecosystems are vital for our survival, as they provide clean air, water, and food. I started composting kitchen scraps, which enriched the soil and attracted beneficial insects. This simple habit transformed my garden into a lush paradise. The realization hit me: nurturing nature nurtures us. By maintaining healthy ecosystems, we ensure our own well-being. Try composting or planting native species to support local wildlife. Remember, every small action counts. Let's protect our planet, one garden at a time.